Making money online refers to the act of earning income through the use of the internet and various digital tools. There are many ways to make money online, and they range from simple tasks like taking online surveys to more complex ventures such as starting an online business. The internet has created a wealth of opportunities for people to earn money without leaving their homes. Some of the advantages of making money online include the flexibility to work from anywhere and at any time, the ability to reach a global audience, and the potential for earning passive income. Some common ways of making money online include freelancing, affiliate marketing, selling products or services, online tutoring, blogging, virtual assistants, online coaching, and stock trading, among others. These methods often require a unique set of skills, dedication, and hard work to be successful. It's important to note that while making money online is a viable option for many people, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. Like any other form of work, it requires effort, persistence, and sometimes, financial investment. However, with the right mindset, skills, and strategies, making money online can provide a fulfilling and lucrative career. Freelancing. You can offer your services online as a freelancer in areas like writing, graphic design, programming, social media management, and more. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer can help you find clients. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can offer online tutoring services. Websites like Chegg, TutorMe, and Schoolly connect students with tutors. You can earn money by taking online surveys on websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vindale Research. You can promote products on your website or social media and earn a commission for each sale made through your unique referral link. You can start a blog and make money through advertising, sponsored content, and affiliate marketing. You can offer virtual assistant services to businesses or entrepreneurs who need help with administrative tasks, social media management, and more. You can sell physical or digital products on marketplaces like Amazon, Etsy, and Shopify. Stock trading and investing. You can invest in stocks, bonds, and other financial instruments online through platforms like Robinhood, E-Trade, and TD Ameritrade. Online coaching and consulting. If you have expertise in a particular area, you can offer coaching or consulting services online. Selling photos and videos. You can sell your photos and videos on stock photo and video websites like Shutterstock, iStock, and Adobe Stock. Creating and selling online courses. You can create online courses on platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Skillshare and earn money through course sales. These are just a few examples, but there are many more ways to make money online depending on your skills and interests.